Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey friends, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to track your progress in Notion with a simple visual, a progress bar that updates as you work, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up easy, dynamic progress bars in Notion, perfect for everything from reading lists to ongoing habits and projects. Let's get started. First, hop into any Notion page you want to use and simply type "All Database." What this does is prompt Notion to create a new database, a kind of spreadsheet or table where you'll track whatever you want, whether it's books to read or tasks to complete. Notion might offer several database options. For now, stick with a simple table view, since it's the most beginner-friendly for what we're doing. Next up, let's set up the info we want to track. You'll want to add 2 number properties to your database, which are essentially columns that will hold numeric values. Think of each property as a way to store specific data about your task or item. Click on the column header, choose Add Property, and select Number as the type. Go ahead and name this one Bookmark. If you're tracking books, Bookmark could represent how many chapters or pages you've read, but you can tweak the name for what makes sense for you. We'll need a second number property too. Repeat the process. Add another number property and name this one Pages. In the book example, this would be the total number of pages in each book. For habits, maybe it's the goal number of days for a streak. For projects, it could be total steps required. Once you've set up these columns, it's time to fill in the cells. Don't worry if you don't have all the data yet. Go row by row and enter a number for each item's bookmark, maybe how much you've done so far, and its pages, the final goal. For instance, if you've read 120 out of 300 pages in a book, bookmark is 120 and pages is 300. Take your time here. It's worth being accurate so your progress bars really reflect your work. Now comes the fun part, the formula that does the math for us. Add a new property to your database, base, but this time select Formula. In the Formula field, type bookmark/pages. What this does behind the scenes is divide your bookmark value by your pages value. So, for example, 150 divided by 300 gives you 0.5, which represents 50% done. If you're not seeing numbers right away, double-check your property names. Notion formulas are case-sensitive, so if you named your columns differently, use those exact names. But let's make it visual. In the Formula Properties settings, scroll down to Display Options and choose Progress Bar. Notion converts your numbers into a sleek, animated progress bar, helpful for seeing at a glance how close you are to finishing. You can also switch the bar's style to percentage, which will show you an exact percent completed. Some folks find percentages more motivating, but it's really up to your preference. Play around and see what feels best, and that's essentially it. In just a few steps, you've created a self-updating progress bar system you can use for anything in Notion. Study goals, reading, habits, you name it. Don't worry if you need to tweak things as you go. Notion is super forgiving and flexible. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions or progress bar ideas in the comments. I love hearing how you use these tips, and if you want more simple Notion tutorials, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss new videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.